Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to post anonymously on a group on Facebook, hiding your true identity. You open your Facebook app icon on your device, then you tap on the three horizontal lines, that is the menu line at the bottom right corner of your screen. Locate groups and tap on it. Here you can see your groups and the ones you have joined. Scroll and find the group you want to post anonymously on. Note that some groups do not permit or allow anonymous features, so you click on the group you want to post on and you check for anonymous post. You tap on it and Facebook will alert you on what anonymous post entails. So you click on got it. Then you toggle the post anonymously switched to on it. Now you can write your post. You can also include a video or photo. When you're done, you click the submit button at the top right corner of the screen. By following these steps, you can post anonymously on Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.